Hi guys, today we're going to go over how to set up the Pinterest tag app. So this is similar to the Facebook tag app or the Facebook pixel app, where you will not need to install any code on your funnel and you will not need to install any code for any specific events, because this app will track all of it automatically. So we'll start by going to our Pinterest account. So pinterest.com/business/hub. If you don't have an account, you can just create one for free. And then up here over at ads, we're going to click on that, scroll down, click conversions. And now we're going to be in our tags manager. And if you don't have a tag, you'll be able to create one here. And if you already do, you just click install and your Pinterest tag ID is up here. So that's where you're going to copy it. You don't need to worry about any three of these things. So I have that copied. Now I'm going to go to my Funnelish account. I'll first turn the app on globally. So go to my global app section, scroll down to the app, turn it on, and here we're going to paste this as our default tag ID. So this is the ID, this is the tag that will be triggered if we don't have a specific ID on the funnel level. So we always like to put this here as a backup. So you click Save Changes, and now we can head to our funnel that we want it on and turn it on over here. So if it's not on over here, it will never track anything, but if it's on over here and you don't add an ID here, it will do the global app ID you added. But just to be safe, I'll add it here again, and you can enable enhanced match to make sure we have all the right information. Click Save Changes, and you're done. Now you can use the Pinterest ID Chrome extension to test it if you want as well. And that's it.